Hi, welcome to our brand new Microsoft AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Practice Question 2022. In this video, we are going to discuss all the dummy question Microsoft AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam. I am your host Aman Mehta from Certificate Hub Academy, and let's get started. Question 76. How can a company connect from their on-premises network to VPCs in multiple regions using private connection? Options. Option 1. AWS Managed VPN. Option 2. Amazon Cloud Front. Option 3. Inter-region VPC pairing. Option 4. AWS Direct Connect Gateway. Correct answer is Option 4. AWS Direct Connect Gateway. Explanation. You can use an AWS Direct Connect Gateway to connect your AWS Direct Connect connection over a private virtual interface to one or more VPC in your account that are located in the same or different regions. Correct. AWS Direct Connect Gateway is the correct answer. Incorrect. AWS Managed VPN is incorrect. AWS Managed VPN uses the public internet and is therefore not a private connection. Incorrect. Amazon Cloud Front is incorrect. Amazon Cloud Front is a content delivery network used for caching data. Incorrect. Inter-region VPC pairing is incorrect. Inter-region VPC pairing does not help you to connect from an on-premises network. Question 77. What is the name of the AWS Managed Docker Registry service used by the Amazon Elastic Container Service (ECS)? Options. Option 1. Docker Image Repository. Option 2. ECS Container Registry. Option 3. Elastic Container Registry. Option 4. Docker Container Registry. Correct answer is Option 3. Elastic Container Registry. Explanation. Amazon Elastic Container Registry (ECR) is fully managed Docker container registry that makes it easy for developers to store, manage, and deploy Docker container images. Amazon ECR is integrated with Amazon Elastic Container Service (ECS). Amazon ECR eliminates the need to operate your own container repositories or worry about scaling the underlying infrastructure. Correct. Elastic Container Registry is the correct answer. Incorrect. ECS Container Registry is incorrect as this is the wrong name. Incorrect. Docker Container Registry is incorrect as this is not an AWS registry. Incorrect. Docker Image Repository is incorrect as this is not an AWS registry. Question 78. A company has deployed several relational databases on Amazon RDS. Every month, the database software vendor releases new security patches that need to be applied to the database. What is the most efficient way to apply the security patches? Options. Option 1. Use AWS Systems Manager to automate database patching according to a schedule. Option 2. In AWS config, configure a rule for the instances and the required patch level. Option 3. Enable automatic patching for the instances using the Amazon RDS console. Option 4. Connect to each database instance on a monthly basis and download and apply the necessary security patches from the vendor. Correct answer is option 3. Enable automatic patching for the instances using the Amazon RDS console. Explanation. Periodically, Amazon RDS performs maintenance on Amazon RDS resources. Maintenance most often involves updates to the DB instances, underlying hardware, underlying operating system, OS, or database engine version. Updates to the operating system most often occur for security issue and should be done as soon as possible. Required patching is automatically scheduled only for patches that are related to security and instance reliability. Such patching occurs infrequently, typically once every few months, and seldom requires more than a fraction of your maintenance window. All you need to do to get enable patching is specify the maintenance window in which the patching will take place. This can be done at instance creation time or at any time afterwards. Correct. Enable automatic patching for the instances using the Amazon RDS console is the correct answer. Incorrect. Connect to each database instance on a monthly basis and download and apply the necessary security patches from the vendor is incorrect. Amazon RDS is managed service and you do not need to do this manually. Incorrect. In AWS config, configure a rule for the instances and the required patch level is incorrect. This service is used for auditing and evaluating resources configurations. Incorrect. Use AWS System Manager to automate database patching according to a schedule is incorrect. Systems Manager can be used to manage EC2 instances, but it cannot be used to patch RDS instances. Question 79. Which of the following statements is correct about Amazon S3 course region replication? Options. Option 1. The source S3 bucket owner must have the source and destination AWS regions disabled for their account. Option 2. Both source and destination S3 buckets must have versioning disabled. Option 3. S3 buckets configured for course region replication can be owned by a single AWS account or by different accounts. Option 4. The source and destination S3 buckets cannot be in different AWS regions. Correct answer is option 3. S3 buckets configured for course region replication can be owned by a single AWS account or by different accounts. Explanation. Replication enable automatic, asynchronous copying of object across Amazon S3 buckets. Buckets that are configured for object replication can be owned by the same AWS account or by different accounts. You can copy objects between different AWS regions or within the same region. Both source and destination buckets must have versioning enabled. The source bucket owner must have the source and destination AWS regions enabled for their account. The destination buckets owner must have the destination region enabled for their account. Correct. S3 buckets configured for course region replication can be owned by a single AWS account or by different accounts is the correct answer. Incorrect. Both source and destination S3 buckets must have versioning disabled is incorrect, as explained above. Incorrect. The source and destination S3 buckets cannot be in different AWS region is incorrect, as explained above. Incorrect. The source S3 buckets owner must have the source and destination AWS regions disabled for their account is incorrect as explained above. Question 80. A cloud practitioner needs to rapidly deploy a popular IT solution and start using it immediately. What should the cloud practitioner use? Options. Option 1. AWS Quick Start Reference Deployments. Option 2. Amazon CloudFront. Option 3. AWS Well Architected Framework Documentation. Option 4. AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Correct answer is option 1. AWS Quick Start Reference Deployments. Explanation. Quick starts are built by AWS Solution Architect and partners to help you deploy popular technologies on AWS based on AWS practice for security and high availability. This accelerator reduces hundreds of manual procedures into just a few steps, so you can build your production environment quickly and start using it immediately. Each quick start includes AWS CloudFront templates that automate the deployment and a guide that discusses the architecture and provides step-by-step deployment instructions. Correct. AWS Quick Start Reference Deployments is the correct answer. Incorrect. AWS Well Architected Framework Documentation is incorrect. The Well Architected Framework is documentation that provides guidance on design best practices. It is not used to actually deploy anything. Incorrect. Amazon CloudFront is incorrect. CloudFront is a content delivery network (CDN) that caches content for better performance. Incorrect. AWS Elastic Beanstalk is incorrect. Elastic Beanstalk can be used to easily deploy certain web applications. However, you still need to supply the code and it is limited to EC2 instances.